Never put this asset in your will or trust. My name is Philip Roos. I'm an estate planning attorney in Minnesota. And always remember that your will document, I'm going to talk about wills here, wills control the stuff that goes to court. That is what it controls. A revocable trust controls things that end up in the revocable trust. That's our private family entity. Wills are court instructions. They control the probate process, which is the court proceeding where if I die, my stuff gets divided up. A revocable trust skips probate and governs the things that are in it. Okay, so either it goes to court or it goes in the trust. It has to go to one of these two things if you want one of these two things to control it. The reason I'm pointing that out is sometimes we have assets that don't go to either of those things. So if I have a bank account where I'm a joint owner of it with a sibling or a child or a spouse, I can say in my trust that it goes to charity. I can say in my will that it goes to my nieces and nephews, but it's not going there. It's going to the joint owner, because that's what happens with joint ownership. If I have a life insurance policy or a 401k or an IRA, and on it I name my wife as getting it at death, and then after death it goes to my two kids, and then in my will I say I want all my 401k or IRA money to go to this charity or to go to my brother. It's not going to happen because it doesn't go to probate or it doesn't go in the trust. It's going to those people. It's not going according to your documents. So bear that in mind. If you're creating a will or a trust and there's joint property involved, you're probably going to have to change the nature of that joint property or plan for the second death of that joint property. I have a bank account in my name and my wife's name. What happens when we're both gone? That's where we'd start talking about what happens to that. I'm going to want to change my beneficiary designations if I don't want them to go to my brother. Writing a will won't help us. Any questions about this? We love talking about it. Shoot us an email.